Right, welcome to Melbourne. This is Collins Street. Walking up to Elizabeth Street on a cracking 23-degree day. Sunshine's creeping through. Right, this is how we do pedestrian crossings at tramways. Straight into a Melbourne laneway. Cafes. Nice bagels, Asian. Little cafes. Small boutique hotels. Banh mi. Pizza, great pizza in here, 11-inch pizza, absolutely delicious. Do a great job. Here's your coffee shop where you have to jump out of a window once you get your coffee out of there. Beautiful smells coming from the Brazilian kitchen, and banh mi is everywhere in Melbourne. Wow, what a beautiful day. Wow, wow, wow. Nice in the Galleria. Plenty of construction going on in Melbourne. There's the iconic trams. Let's go through the Galleria. So many hidden spots in Melbourne. Plenty of places to eat and drink. Just coming on to lunchtime. Starting to fill up. Plenty to choose from here. Kebabs, sandwiches, Asian food, Vietnamese. Cafe Creme has been here forever. Soul Origin. All the basics as well. Sushi Hub, they are everywhere. Thailand is in a few spots. This looks very new. Ooh, delicious smells in there. Here's the Galleria. Axel Coffee in at the back there. Great coffee. Okay, here's the heart of Melbourne, Bourke Street Mall. the old GPO, which is now H&M, up to Myer and David Jones. Here's the iconic Perth Street. Make sure we don't get run over by trams. Here we go down to Elizabeth Street. Got the CBD building here, the Galleria. Great coffee on the corner there, Federal Coffee. Do yourself a favour. What an iconic building here. Just taking a quick walk along Elizabeth Street. Start to move into the Asian side of town. There we go, Chica Chica, pretty popular lunchtime. Here we go, more by me. That's where the GPO is now, the post office. Moved from this iconic building. H&M moved in to this new building here. It's a great laneway here. Ramen. Myer walkway. Alright, and we're off. And then we have the iconic dome, Melbourne Central. And there's about half a dozen churches left in Melbourne. Here's one here, City Mission. Glorious sunshine. Iconic trams. Crossing Lonsdale Street now. See the beautiful elm trees. So here we have China Bar, very popular. Noodle stores. We'll just come on to the back end of Melbourne Central here, guys. We've got ME Bank Tower. Let's have a look. Melbourne Central starts over here. You walk through the underground station and all the shopping. Here we have a look down the iconic Elizabeth Street. Still got some old architecture here, a mix of old and new. All the way down to Spencer Street and the station there and the river. A beautiful old church. Over to Melbourne Central. Guys, it was a quick walk through Melbourne. Have a look at what's happening along Elizabeth Street in the mall. It's January. In summer in Melbourne. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Take care, stay passionate, and we'll see you on the next one. Awesome.